Okay, so guys, in this video we have to find the integration of 3 minus cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, so first of all, there are a lot of formulas which are being applied into this question, so let's just break down all of those formulas. This thing right over here, cos 2x, we have an identity. Cos 2x is actually equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, so we can use this formula right over here, and we can write 2 cos square x is actually equal to cos 2x plus 1, because we can move the 1 toward the opposite side of the equation. Now wherever we have cos 2x in this equation, we can replace it with 2 cos square x. What is the advantage of that? You will come to know in a minute. We have to focus on this 1 plus cos 2x right over here, so we can rewrite it 3 minus cos 2x divided by 2 cos square x dot dx. Cos 2x is also equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. We can replace this cos 2x with 1 minus 2 sine square x. So we have 3 minus 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay, we will use a bracket over here. We can simply open the bracket. We have 3 minus 1 minus minus plus 2 sine square x. Now we have 3 minus 1 is actually 2 plus 2 sine square x. This 2 can be cancelled. Dx. Okay, so now these terms are actually being added, so we can separate them. So we have 1 divided by cos square x plus sine square x divided by cos square x, and now we can simplify them. So 1 divided by cos square x will be secant square x, because 1 divided by cos is actually secant. Sine square x divided by cos square x will be tangent square x. Now the integration of secant square x is known, but the integration of tangent square x is not known. So we can actually calculate it. First of all, tangent square x, let's simplify this thing. So tangent square x, according to a trigonometric identity, it is equal to secant square x minus 1. And why are we going to use this identity? Because we know that secant square x, the integration of secant square x is actually tangent x, minus the integration of 1 will be x plus the integration constant, which is actually not required over here because this is not the final derivative of the question. So we can replace this thing over here, and the integration of secant square x, I just told you it is tangent x. Right? We can replace this equation and we have secant square x dot dx, integration of tangent square x. The integration of secant square x is tangent x, plus the integration of tangent square x is tangent x minus x plus c. Now this is the final derivative, and we can introduce the constant of integration. Tangent x plus tangent x is actually 2 tangent x minus x plus c. Now this is the final derivative of 3 minus cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x. Okay.